Have you ever asked yourself, where does my time actually go? You probably haven't.
I haven't too.
And I make videos about productivity, self-improvement, getting your life together. Yeah, this is a little bit embarrassing. I decided to find out the truth, so I tracked my time for 3 weeks. And honestly, what I found out, we need to talk. Part 1. In the short time of being brutally honest with myself, I found out some slightly uncomfortable things. I tracked 530 hours of my life, and these are my top 3 categories. And before you judge me, actually no. Go ahead and judge me. You know, I would judge myself too. We're going to ignore number 1, it's sleep with 205 hours. This is fine, I mean, you can't do anything about it. Okay, number 3, this is legit shocking me. 60 hours of getting ready, transportation and eat. I batched them together. But like, what? Number 2, boyfriend, 75 hours. I'm not even going to comment this right now because it's a lot. And this is not a flex, no. We'll get back to that later. Maybe. And number 1, work, 95 hours. This experiment taught me 3 things that are kind of, they kind of hurt when I'm realizing them. I lie to myself how busy I am. I keep telling people, no, not people, but like myself, like, oh, I'm so busy, I have no time. Girl, are you sure? Because when I look at a spreadsheet, I am not allowed to say this anymore. My bad habits are worse than I thought. I know I spend too much time on my phone, but I didn't realize it was that bad, you know? Look at my evenings. Do you see something? It's like most of the time always dark blue. And you know what dark blue means? It means relaxation. But to relaxation, I also added phone. And when I counted, it was like 36 hours of relaxation. That is more than a day. That is almost like 2 days. I could have almost written a whole book. Okay, well, not exactly, but like maybe chapter 1. Number 3, my world got very small. Okay, stop. So when you look at a spreadsheet, what is the first color you see? Was it pink? Was it gray? Was it purple? I hope it was not pink. I spend a lot of time with my boyfriend, which is good. You may say now, oh, that's really cute. That's really romantic. But I don't know if it will be that romantic also long term, because there will be definitely an imbalance. I almost spend no time with friends and family. That's not going to be healthy long term, and you just see it on my spreadsheet. And if you're sitting here and thinking, okay, I'm not like that, you probably are. Not in the same categories as I am, but I can guarantee you that when you start tracking your time, you will be surprised what you will find out about yourself. You just don't know it yet, which is exactly why you should try this out. Here's how I would start. Step 1, choose your method. So in the next chapter, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, that you can literally just copy me. But basically, you can use Excel, you can use Google Sheets, you can use a notebook, you can use an app. Just pick a method you know you can stick to, because like consistency is what matters here. Step 2, pick your categories. Don't overcomplicate this. You don't need 50 categories. Actually, I have like 10 or 9. I don't know. I'm gonna show it to you later. Step 3, track it for at least 1 week, but the more the better. So I did it for almost a month, because that's when you notice like patterns and they become like super obvious, you know, you can't ignore them anymore, because like, yeah, they just constantly repeat themselves. Because on week 1, I was kind of denial, you know, I was like,
Oh, it's just a weird week. I'm not like this.
But week 2, it became obvious that this is me. So all I can say is be brutally honest with yourself. I cannot stress this enough. No one else is gonna see this data, so don't lie to yourself. If you spend 4 hours on your phone, write down that you spent 4 hours on your phone. And it wasn't research. Come on, it wasn't work. It was just being on your phone. And that's... in that moment, it's okay, you know what I mean? Because we just want to see the patterns and we want to realize where our time actually goes. You're not tracking the version you wish you were, you are just tracking the actual you. The whole point isn't to make yourself feel bad or guilty about it, it's just to see the truth so you can, if you want, change something about it. Part 4. Here's how I set up my Google Sheet. These are the categories I used, and I used different colors for it, and then just gave it like a number. For example, exercise, sport, boyfriend, B, friends, F, family, FF. Lol. And here's the time tracking sheet. So basically on the left side, I just added date, and at the top you see the hours. So I started at 5 a.m. and ended at 4 a.m. At the end of the day, I would just go back and fill in what I did each hour. You can also do it throughout the day or whenever you think about it. It doesn't take a lot of time. It just took me like, I don't know, 2 minutes. Usually I just did it before bed. And after doing this, I got this beautiful map telling me exactly where my time went. This is my life. Yay! POV, you started to track your time and realized, damn, I'm really bad at time management. Don't worry. I got you. I made a whole video about that, and it's about time management and how to be more efficient. And also there are like really cool hacks. For example, there's this one hack called the candle hack, and I'm still using it to this day. Wait, this is proof. It's for the candle hack. Well, I don't have any candles right now, I need to buy new ones. But if you're interested to know what this hack is about, check it out below. Look, I'm not gonna lie, this was uncomfortable. Seeing where my time actually goes comparing to where I think it goes is... I just hold my breath. Especially I didn't realize that I spent so much time on my phone in the evening. For what? Let me reply to that email, but then those few minutes turn into hours, and those hours turn into days, and suddenly you look back and wonder where all your time went. Let me know if you're gonna try this, or if you already tried this. Let me know in the comments, what did you find out about yourself? And did then something actually started to change after you realized that? You can't fix what you don't see, and that's the whole point of this. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.